6 different fingerboard radius for 6 strings neck. 6-string neck STL with a length of up to 26 frets. 6 different perpendicular frets for 6 strings neck. 7 different STL fingerboard radius for 7 strings neck. 7-string neck STL with a length of up to 26 frets. 6 different perpendicular frets for 7 strings neck. 10 different multi-scales from the best-known brands for 6 and 7 strings. Fan frets 6 strings through neck for a spire and V-carve. Also the neck and fingerboard in STL and vectors. A video showing how to use these files with Vectric. Get all these files and a third surprise bonus for only $90. Link to purchase in the description and in the pinned comment.